Hey guys, it's Christina. So today I have another unboxing video for you guys. I have some packages here, so let's get started. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, the notification bell, and if you want to add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, let's be friends. I will link all of that stuff down below. So the first box I have here is from Ipsy. I opened it, but I didn't actually go through it yet. I wanted to do that on camera. I haven't had an Ipsy bag literally probably since I used to do so many unboxings on my channel with Ipsy back in like 2013, like 2012, 2011, like whenever it started. I totally signed up because I love Michelle Font. She was like my inspiration to start my channel, and I wanted to support her. And then I ended up canceling it because I was getting, so much makeup already that like I just didn't want to, waste my money to get more makeup when I didn't need it. So this is my first box since probably 2013 or whenever I canceled it. And I see that they've upgraded a lot because it used to be like very small little samples, but now it's like full-size products. Which, look at this. This is Estee Lauder. Like, what? Estee Lauder lipstick? Are you kidding me? So I was excited for this. This is so cute. Love the packaging. It's a very pretty coral color. It's not like a total red, which I love that. That's totally up my alley, like a warm red, like, which you can tell I love red. But this is so pretty. The color is called Flash Chill. Love it. And the lipstick is $22.50. Then we have this Book of Eyes quad palette. This is pretty. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my god. And I love how it's like at an angle, but do you see the colors? So pretty. This compact is fire, like legit. I love how the black is matte, and oh my god, I see so much glitter right now for the holidays. Like everybody's coming out with some sort of glitter. Ooh, it's hella pretty. I like barely touched it, and it's like all over my arm. I'm totally wearing this for some sort of holiday party. This palette is from Smith & Colt, and it's $44. Then we've got this Clarins dry shampoo with oat milk. You always need a dry shampoo, so I always stock up on those, and that's $20. Then we have this vitamin C brightening boost. I love skincare and serums, like, oh my god. Ooh, this is hella cute. I love the packaging on everything. I'm gonna use this tonight. Smells good. When I take my makeup off, like, I love Pilot on skincare, like, oh my god. This is from 111 Skin or 111 Skin, Harley St. London, and this is $180. What? Alright, definitely using this tonight. Then we have these gorgeous brushes from Vera. I actually have their tweezers in my bathroom right now. Just use them. They're really good. These are like super cute. And this is $40. Then we have this cute little bag. I remember I used to get like the Ipsy bags every month. It was like an actual little bag, and I used to have so many of them, and they came in handy. Is there a value for the bag? But this is awesome. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. This is hella cute. You can even use this as a clutch, honestly. It's like sturdy enough. It's got like some sturdiness to it, so really cute. So that's the Ipsy box. I will link it for you guys down below if you're interested. Next, I have an Urban Decay package. This is so cute. It says, life is messy, your makeup shouldn't be. And they sent the long-lasting makeup setting sprays, the big one and a travel size. And I love their sprays. Ooh, wait, what is underneath here? It's a book? Wait, what? Oh, it's just like a little notepad. Okay, my camera just stopped recording. I had to change the SD cards, but we're good now. We're back. So for the Urban Decay, I will link the setting sprays for you guys down below in the info box, so check them out. And then I ordered this acne treatments. This is a face cream. I just got it on Amazon. I'm gonna try it out because I do get pimples on my back. Like, I used to get pimples on my face like as a teenager, and then my skin was completely fine, and then I started into my 20s, like my face would break out like right here all the time, and it just stopped literally like this year. And I think a lot of it has to do with your diet, so I can do a video on that if you guys want. But now the acne I do get is not on my face, but it's on my back. It's not like acne, but they're like little pimples. I don't know if they're just like, clogged pores or whatever, but like it's so annoying. So I'm gonna try this one out. This is from Vue Naturel, so I will link this for you guys down below. It's got 5% benzoyl peroxide, so that's good. It's shea butter, jojoba oil, tea tree oil. So I'm excited to try it out. So like I said, it's from Amazon, and I will link for you guys down below. Then, last but not least, I have this over package. This is so cute. I literally have like all of their highlighters. Like, they're amazing. I use it every fucking day. So good. This is so cute. Aww. There's a lot of stuff in there. Ooh, they totally repackaged their stuff. This is totally new packaging. I haven't had anything new from Ofra since probably like when I lived in Virginia, because I didn't even get anything in Florida, and then I moved here. So that was like 2016. Yeah. Damn, their whole packaging is completely different. Oh my god, this is so pretty. It's got like a blue tint to it. The highlighter is fire. Literally all of their highlighters are fire. Like, I can't even. This one is called Space Baby. This is the Nikki Tutorials collab. I swear to god, I thought Nikki Tutorials as soon as I saw the color. I was like, this is hella pretty. I remember one of her tutorials on Instagram was like, it looked like this. So I was like, Nikki Tutorials. And then this one is called Cloud 9. Ooh. It's like a grayish, pinkish tint to it. It's really pretty. I'm gonna put them side by side for you guys. Super hot. Love it. And the mirror, the other ones, the highlighters before did not have any mirrors and they were like circular. So they totally improved their packaging. And I do have a discount code for you guys for Ofra for 30% off. It's Kristina UA. I will put it right here. It's all caps, and I will put it in the info box as well. And the link to the website, so you can just like copy and paste the code at checkout. Ooh. This is the Glow Up highlighter palette. This is so cute. Look at that. Ah. Oh my god. I have like one of their highlighter books. Oh my god. I'm dead. Literally, this is so fucking gorgeous. This is so cute. I have this highlighter. I'm like scared to like fuck it up with my nails, but I have this one already. But it looks like they did a little bit more browns. This one is called Beverly Hills, and then this one is Star Island, and then this one is Blissful, and then this is Rodeo Drive. So cute. I can't even. You guys, I'm obsessed. I love this. I love their highlighters. I just want to like do my makeup now all over. I'm about to go to bed though, so oh my god, there's hella lipsticks in here. We got like 9. I'm not gonna swatch them all. I'm just gonna show you guys the color. I love how the packaging has a little window in there. Let me just open one so I can like, they totally switched their packaging out. It's totally different now. It's like white, because I have some of their lipsticks and they used to be round, now it's square. With the white cap, totally different from before. So hot. I'm gonna do like 3 at a time. Let's do some reds first. So these are the reds. So this one is called Brickell. This one is Milan, and this one is Unzipped. And then the rest of them are very like brownish nude. I'm trying to see. I picked out like the pinky ones. So this is the pink one. So here you have Amsterdam, Duchess, and Sunnyvale. And then for the browns, we've got Belle Harbor, Las Olas, and Verona. So pretty. So that is it for my unboxing / haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, don't forget to hit subscribe